Student, welcome back in the online class of Social Studies. Today we will continue the same chapter number 15, Coastal Plains and Islands. In the previous video, we had studied about Goa and Karnataka. Today we will know about one more coastal state, that is Kerala. Okay? See in short the main features of the state. Capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Okay. Area 39,000 square kilometer. Districts 14. Population near about 35 million. Main language Malayalam. Main festivals celebrated in the state are Onam, Ramjan and Diwali. Okay. Now all of you open page number 135 in your social studies book. Students, see, in the south of India, it is Kerala. Western area of Kerala is coastal and this one is eastern area. Kerala shares its border with the state of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Okay. Kerala is on the Malabar coast. The word Kerala means the land of coconuts. Okay. Kerala is also called God's own country. Thiruvananthapuram is its capital. Periyar Lake, Vambanath Lake, Periyar River, Bharatpuja River and backwaters of Kerala are the main water sources. These are the main water sources which found in the state of Kerala are the main water sources. Malayalam is the main language spoken there. Men wear mundu and shirt. Women wear sari, mundu, blouse and long skirts. Mohiniyattam and Kathakali are famous classical dance forms of Kerala. As every state having its folk songs, folk dances, like so it is also having. Onam, Ramjan and Diwali are the main festivals celebrated here. Agriculture, fishing, trade, business, banking and tourism provide jobs to the people. Spices, coconut, rubber, cocoa, cashew and rice are the main crops of Kerala. Fishing, coir means material made from the cells of coconuts such as ropes and mats are known as coir. Handloom, mining and animal husbandry are the main industries of the state. Animal husbandry means farming and care of farm animals such as cattle, dogs, sheep and horses by human for advantages. Okay. Are the main industries of the state. Popular tourist destinations are Neyyar Wildlife Sanctuary, Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary and Kovalam Beach. Kovalam Beach is quite famous. Palakkad, Kollam, Ernakulam or Ernakulam, Wayanad and Kottayam are the main cities of the state. Kochi, Bepar, Kochi Bepar, Alappuzha and Nindakara are the important ports of Kerala. Students, today we learnt about Kerala state, its main language, total area, number of districts, population near about, and festivals celebrated in the state. Now, we will know about eastern coastal plains. Till now, we have known about western coastal plains. Now, we will know about eastern coastal plains. As you can see in your book, map given on the page number 136. This one is western coastal plain and this one eastern coastal plain. Okay. The eastern coastal plains lie between the Bay of Bengal and the Eastern Ghats. These plains extend from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. The width of these plains is about 120 km. The eastern coastal plains have numerous rivers like Mahanadi, Krishna, Kaveri and Godavari, which make them fertile. Fertile means a land which is good for growing crops and well irrigated lands. The soil in the eastern coastal plains is alluvial and many mangrove forests grow in this region. The eastern coastal plains can be divided into two parts. The area between river Mahanadi and river Krishna is called the northern circus, and the region between the Kaveri and the Krishna rivers is called the Coromandel coast. Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and the Union Territory of Puducherry are part of the eastern coastal plain. As I told you, in this region, alluvial soils are found. Alluvial soils are those soils which are brought by the rivers from different kinds of land, and this soil is full of minerals which is quite good for growing crops. Okay. In the next video, we will know about Odisha. Okay. Till then, revise the topic and listen the video carefully. Thank you. God bless you all.